Welcome to Gmail for Beginners. In this lesson, you will learn how to use Gmail to send and receive email. Gmail is a free application that comes with every Google account. You can access Gmail from any computer or device that's connected to the internet. If you have already taken the lesson, Google Docs for Beginners, you used Google Docs to plan a celebration. In this lesson, you'll send an email inviting people to the celebration you've planned. If this is your first Google Apps for Beginners lesson, that's fine. Just make up a celebration or use one from your real life. Or copy the example that you see in the video. Don't spend too much time thinking about the celebration. The most important thing is to practice the skills you'll learn in these videos. You can access Gmail on your computer using a web browser or by using an app on your phone or tablet. In this lesson, you'll use a web browser. Once you learn the basics of using Gmail on the web, feel free to download the app onto a device and explore it. As you work through this lesson, you will first go to gmail.com and get familiar with your Gmail inbox. Then, you will compose and send an email. Finally, you'll learn how to reply to an email you receive. If you're not already signed into your Google account, open a new tab and sign in now. If you need help signing into Google or creating a new account, pause this video and watch the Welcome to Google Apps for Beginners video. Now it's your turn. Sign into your Google account. When you're done, switch back to the tab with the Gmail lesson videos on it and click Next to watch the next video.